So I started with a bed that I got from Temu, and the little tip of the bed was broken off, and I glued it with some wood glue and let it sit. And then meanwhile, I wanted a hat for this. And I had made a lot of hats, but I wanted to make another one because they're really fun, and I do have a tutorial on how I make these hats. So as you can see, I cut it round, and then all you do is take a rubber band. This is what I used, my little toy kettle, and I went ahead and I wrap it around, and then I just put a whole bunch of Mod Podge on it. And I cut it a little big, and then I sit it to the side, and I let it dry overnight, and it hardens. So there's my little hat. It's drying. The bed little broken piece is on. And then I had a mold for some strawberries, and I went ahead and I made them, and I baked them, and I painted them, which I don't have a picture of. The hat was done, so I cut the hat down to size, and then I started to decorate it. I put a little green bow on it, and I made some little flowers and leaves out of paper towel with some Elmer's glue. They harden. I cut it out. And yes, I do have a hat stand. And there's my hat. And I wanted to really emphasize the flower. I wanted it big. And it's cute. And then there are my little painted strawberries. And I glued them on the bed. I had painted the bed light blue. And it was kind of too much blue, so I did a little dark edge of dark blue and put some little polka dots on it, just to give it a little whimsy. And then the bed was done, so I went ahead and I sprayed it with the matte finish. It does say it's a matte finish, but it does give a little bit of a gloss to it. And here's my fabric. This is what started this bed. That beautiful, fun strawberry fabric. I loved it. And I got some gingham to go with it. I think it's a great match. And then I needed pillows, and I love making pillows. So I went ahead and I started, and I cut them to how I want them. And then I just put the liquid stitch for no sew on the one side and fold them over and let them dry. Now with these pillows, I only wound up using 3. And here they are. So after they were done, I turned them right side, and then I cut out of the fabric, I cut some little strawberries and flowers and put them on. And then I put around the edge some little thin cording that I have. And those are stuffed with cotton, and they're cute. And then I went on to do a dust ruffle and make the bedspread. So meanwhile, I went ahead and I covered the mattress that came with the bed. I ripped that off, and then I covered it with some gingham and glued it back on. And then I went ahead and I gathered the ruffle with some needle and thread, just kind of gathered it loosely. And here I'm showing you how it looks after I hot glued it in. It's nice and neat. It looks good. And I do it slow so I don't get burnt, which I usually do with the hot glue. And then there it is, with the ruffle on it. Good colors, just really good fun colors. And then this is the bedspread, and I went ahead and I did the no-sew around the 3 edges, turned it right side, went ahead and ironed it, and then I took some felt and I put some aluminum foil around it and measured it, slid it in, and then closed the top with some more liquid stitch. And this is how it looks. And then I took some cording that I had and put it around the edge. This one is light green. And I think it gave it a more finished look. And so now I have everything ready. We got the bed, the hat, the pillows, the little comforter, and we're going to put the bed together. Yes, fun. It's adorable. Strawberries. The colors are so good in this. There's the little strawberries, there's the polka dots. You can see the little green cord edging. I love it. I love the gingham. It looks so good with the strawberries. It's just the perfect fabric match. I love fabric. I love matching the fabrics together. It's so fun. So fun. And then I went ahead, I had a basket I had made, and I went ahead and I put some little flowers in it and just put it on the side of the bed, put the hat on the side. Cute.